Next find, corktop miner's liniment. Pulled out of that little hole down there. I think I'm going to have to tear this spot up here. This is pretty old, 1920s probably. Alright, be back at you with the next find. Little mosquitoes. Holy jumpins'. Just popped this one out, folks. Probably from the 20s, 1920, Sussex Mineral Spring Limited. Never seen that before. Looks like it's a little bit wonky. I think it's melted. I don't know, I'll keep it anyways. I was over there digging. I just moved over to here, see what I can scrape up. Okay, get back at you in a bit. Just pop this out. It says, "Remember me." It's ironic. Looks like it might have been a coffee mug or something. Alright, I'm on it. He's gonna throw those boots up here against the side of the stream. I seen this piece of plate sticking out of there. Hard to see what's down in there. But anyways, I hauled this back and it looks like another bottle right here. Maybe a miner's liniment. Yep. Well, that's 2 of those for today. Just pulled this out of that. A bunch of soil there. Looks like an oldie. No maker's mark on the bottom. Probably blown in a mold, I would say. Some sort of condiments jar or something by the looks of it. That one would have been nice. There's apothecaries on it. Broken miner's liniment. Lots of old shards. Lots of them. All these oldies are busted up though. Every once in a while I'll pull out a good one. Anyways, we'll get back at her. Whoa! Right down in here, folks. This is where I've been piling all my shards. Look what's sitting underneath it. A nice cork top Watkins bottle. Contents made in USA. Trialmark, it says up at the top there. You used to be able to use the stuff, and if you weren't pleased with it, you could return it for a refund as long as the contents weren't below that trial mark. Pretty cool. Nice find. I'm happy with that. Alright, we'll catch you later. Well, this would have been a day maker, folks, if it wasn't all busted up. A cork top Cognac Monet. Look at that. But it's all busted. Flies are terrible here. Well, I think I might call it a day. We'll catch us all on the roundup. Well, I was on my way out, folks, and I decided I'd stop and pull this big rock back. And when I did, this here was down beside the corner of it. One last find. Frasier Thorton and Company, manufacturing chemists. Cookshire, Quebec, Canada. Nice big cork top. I'm just looking to see if I can see the seam. Can't tell, but it might go. No, I don't think it does go the whole way to the top. I think it stops just under the lip, which would be right around 1900. So anyways, nice last find. I'm getting out of here. These flies are driving me nuts. Okay. Hey folks, back with the wrap up slash cleanup. Everything's all cleaned up. Start with this Watkins bottle. Probably a health remedy of some sort. Watkins was the first company to introduce the money back guarantee in 1868. And you could use this product down to this Trialmark line. And if you weren't satisfied with the product, you could return it for your money back. Unfortunately, this bottle isn't from 1868. The seam goes right up to the top here, so it's machine made, so it's after 1900s. And I figure this one's probably from the 1920s. I figure probably everything here in the wrap-up's from the 1920s. This is a pickle jar. Seam once again goes right up to the top. It's a real faint up here, but it is there. No markings on the bottom. It's got a little bit of a greenish hue to it. It's got just a galaxy of bubbles in it. Can't really see them in this lighting, but it's something to see. This here is Frasier Thorton and Company bottle, and I figure this one's from the 1920s. It was Frasier Thorton was formed in 1903 in Nova Scotia. And this bottle, once again, the seam goes right up to the top of the finish here. Lots of embossing on it. It's a nice bottle. It's probably a health remedy as well. This Sussex Mineral Spring Limited. The bottle itself looks a little bit warped. I don't know if it's been melted. It's got quite a bit of damage done to it too. However, I kept it. And that's dated. They were in business 1895 to 1929. And it was produced in Sussex, New Brunswick. And then they merged with another company and became Sussex Ginger Ale. So this particular one's probably once again from the 1920s, maybe a little bit earlier. We've got the Minard's Liniment, which became known as the King of Pain Relief. And they were formed in Nova Scotia, that company was. And these are probably from the 1920s as well. And we have this, which was a measuring cup. And I believe it's uranium glass. And uranium glass was nicknamed Vaseline glass in the 1920s because it had like a yellowish, greenish hue to it. And I think that's what that is. It's dark like that. Look how that glows. Anyways, thanks for watching, folks. That's everything we got there. Not very colorful, but lots of embossing in it. Lots of history. Thanks for watching, folks. Catch you all on the next one. Everybody have a great day.